There are a lot of videos explaining that sideways or lateral forces are what cause bolts to come loose. I wanted to see it for myself and take it one step further. I was inspired by Hacks by Dad, so I built a simple bolt shaker to test what actually keeps bolts from vibrating loose. Not theory, not opinions, just real movement under load. Same bolt, same torque every time. The only thing I change is the locking method. Most of these products are supposed to prevent loosening. Under vibration, that's not what really happens. This is the baseline. A 3/8 16 grade 5 bolt with a plain nut torqued to 7 foot-pounds. Under lateral vibration, it doesn't take long to see what's really happening. In about 15 seconds, the nut is already backing off. The paint mark starts to move almost immediately, and the nut ends up loose on the bolt. That's how fast clamp can disappear. Now take that same setup and add a split lock washer. Same bolt, same torque, same vibration. The result looks almost identical. It doesn't slow the loosening down in any meaningful way. The nut backs off nearly as fast as the baseline. Under vibration like this, the washer isn't maintaining clamp. It's just along for the ride. The nylon insert lock nut behaves differently. It doesn't spin free, and the threads are still engaged, but it still moves. You can see the paint mark shift. It's resisting rotation, but it's not holding the joint tight. Clamp is still being lost. Combine the lock nut with a washer, and now the movement slows down. It's still not locked in place, but it's more stable. The paint mark moves less over the same time, which tells you it's holding position better, but not completely. Now add red thread locker to that lock nut and let it cure. Same bolt, same torque. Under vibration, it resists rotation. Clamp still drops, but the nut doesn't let go of the bolt. In this case, the thread locker did not help the lock nut preserve clamp. That's the difference you're seeing. Some methods resist rotation, but that's not the same as maintaining clamp. Once clamp load drops, movement starts, and that's when things come loose. Same bolt, same torque, same vibration. Only one variable changes each time. That's what makes the results clear. If there's another fastener setup you want to see tested on this shaker, let me know in the comments. This video is part of my All About Fasteners and Threads playlist. If the same torque can give you different clamp depending on how the fastener is loaded, then torque might not be telling you what you think it is. That's what I cover in the next video. Thanks for watching. There's more coming.